Dangerous persons alert. Manitoba RCMP advises the Paw, Flin, Flon, Creighton and nearby areas in Manitoba and Saskatchewan of 2 escaped inmates from the Paw Correctional Centre. Both were last seen at 6:40 p.m. on May 8. 19-year-old Xander Tardif is 5 feet 11 inches tall and 180 pounds. 21-year-old Kelly Castell is 5 feet 9 inches tall and 135 pounds. Both have a violent history and are considered dangerous. RCMP continue a search for the 2 males. Lock your doors and windows. Do not pick up hitchhikers. Report suspicious activity and emergencies or tips, call 911.